Hey guys, welcome to my channel. It's Avneet right here, and today I'm gonna guide you through a beginner's makeup kit and what all products you should have in your kit. And everything is from drugstore because I assume that you don't want to spend so much when you are a beginner because you're just learning. So I'll be giving you options in each category and you can select what goes well for your skin. So let's begin. So I have my stuff ready. So first we'll start with the eyes. So I have done my full face using all of these products only, so you can see the quality is amazing. So the first eyeshadow palette I'll be showing you is, so I have one from Sugar. This one is all nude palette. Really amazing palette, amazing colors, amazing pigmentation. I'll just show you one or two shades. You can see how metallic they are amazing. I love this palette. So the other one is from Revolution. If you want something colorful in your palette, then this is the one. They have a more color variety as well. Look at the colors, so beautiful. Really nice pigmentation, especially for beginners because they are not heavily pigmented. So I have done this eye look. I've used one more palette which is high end, but I've mixed this with that. So amazingly pigmented, and if you're a beginner, so you do not want a palette which is too much pigmented because you won't be able to control the colors and blending would be very difficult for you. Okay, so the next is liner. For liner I have this one from Sugar. It's really nice. I've used this liner today, and this is a one coat and it's really black. This is the wand. It's a very black and really matte. Really nice liner. So now let's move to the face items. The first category is the primer. So for primer I have two. One is from Maybelline Master Primer Plus Base. So this is a really nice, really hydrating type, but it still blurs the skin. The consistency is really creamy. The dry skin girls can go for this one because it blurs as well as is really hydrating. And the other one is really good for oily skin types. This is from Sugar, the Most Eligible Smoothing Primer. Really nice, really pore filling. Basically, if you have pores, it's really good. It's skin and color, and you can see the consistency is really thick because it is a silicone type, really similar to Benefit Professional, which is very famous. I don't know if you can see, but how matte my hand looks. So the next category is foundation. For that I have Color Bar 24 Hours Weightless Liquid Foundation. Really good, really light coverage. The coverage is really light to medium, so this can be worn for your everyday. And if you're a beginner, I assume that you don't want to go for a full coverage foundation, but you can build it up to a very good coverage. So this is really good. I'm in the shade FC22. Yeah, really nice. And the other foundation is from L'Oreal Infallible. In the last video I tested out this foundation, and since that day I'm wearing this foundation. Today also I'm wearing this foundation. Really medium to full coverage and really nice. It's more on the matte side, so if you're a dry skin, basically I'm a dry skin, so I applied an oil before using this foundation, so you can do that trick and go for this one. I'm in the shade 103 Natural Buff. So the next category is concealer, and for concealer I have three options. One is my all-time favorite. I started with this concealer. It's from Maybelline Fit Me. I started with this concealer. I think this is the fifth or fourth bottle for me. It's fifth or fourth, I think. But it's super nice, really a medium coverage and really good for everyday use. I'm in the shade 20 Sand, and I've never stopped using this. And the next one is from Maybelline Age Rewind. This is more on the full coverage type. This is my third bottle. This is more on the full coverage type rather than the Fit Me. So I'm in the shade Neutralizer. I use this shade to brighten up my under eyes. So I'm using this one for brightening up and this one as a base to conceal my dark circles. Then I have NYX Professional Makeup HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is a really nice medium coverage one, and this is in the shade CW02, but this is way too light for me, but the formula is really nice. So the next category is a loose powder. For that I have only one, because in drugstore I don't think anything is better than this one, and I have not tried anything that is better than this one. Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder in shade 15. It really smoothens out the skin, the texture, fills the pores. It's amazing. I use this for my personal use, and I have used this on my under eyes today and all around my mouth, and this is the one I use for myself. Then I got two face palettes, because I think most of you would want a face palette if you want everything in one and don't want to complicate steps. So I have one from Sugar, which is the contour palette in 02 Vivid Victory. Contour, highlight, blush all in one. Super nice, very nice pigment. The highlighter is amazing, and I don't think then you should miss on this palette. And the other one is from Faces Ultimate Pro, and this also has 3 shades. Bronzer, this is more on the bronzer, not the contour, because this is really warm. So but I still use warm bronzers. Blush and highlighter, really nice. The highlighter is in this really beaming. Then I have two individual blushes. One is from Maybelline Fit Me in shade 25, which is a very baby pink kind of color. The pigmentation is not very strong, and that is very good if you're a beginner. Even I like less pigmented blush, and I would rather use less pigmented blush and keep building up that color. Then the other one is Milani Baked Blush. Milani is famous for their baked blushes. Super nice, but if you're an oily skin, don't go for this one. This has shimmer, slight shimmer particles, which can, you know, make you oily. And even if you have texture, don't go for this, because this can highlight your texture. The skin with texture should go for a matte blush. So then for the highlighter, I have two highlighters. One is from Wet n Wild. This is in the shade Blossom Glow. I would suggest you to go for a one shade darker, because this won't go for every Indian skin tone. Even I think this is light for me, but I mix it with my golden highlighters, but it is beaming. So this is really good. And then the other one is Master Chrome from Maybelline. I can just show you the halat. Just look at the condition. I've used it so much. I mixed this with that Wet n Wild, and I've used that on my face today. So this, both of them are really good. This is highly pigmented, and this color would go for every Indian skin type, because this is golden and the color is Molten Gold 100. So if you have any color doubts, just go for this one. Then comes the lipsticks. I have 5 lipsticks with me. The first one I want to show is e.l.f. I used this in my last video, and I love the shade. The shade is Nectar, and a very peachy coral shade. I love these kind of shades for my skin, and these would suit a lot of skin tones. So really nice. This is from e.l.f. and e.l.f. just recently launched on Nykaa, so really nice. Then I'm the girl who prefers bullets over liquid lipsticks, so I have most of the bullet options. These ones are from Maybelline. I just love this Maybelline lipstick. There are 3 shades. One is Mysterious Mocha, which is a pinky nude, very dirty pinky nude, and the other one is Clay Crush, which is a coral peach nude, and the last one is Nude Embrace, which is a peachy nude. So I'll just show you the shade. This is Nude Embrace. This one is Mysterious Mocha. Really nice pink nude. And the last one is Clay Crush. Really corally, similar to the e.l.f. shade, but a little lighter than that. These are my go-to lipsticks. I use these a lot. And then if you're a liquid type of girl, liquid lipstick girl, then I have this one from Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. They don't have a lot of shades, but they are really nice, very long lasting, and really good quality, and still comfortable than other very dry lipsticks. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And that is it. Thank you.